Welcome to this informative session on AI and lead generation, where we explore how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the way businesses identify, nurture, and convert potential customers. Lead generation is the lifeblood of any business, and with AI, companies can now streamline processes, improve accuracy, and ultimately drive better results. Whether you're a marketer, sales professional, or business owner, understanding how AI enhances lead generation can give you a competitive edge in today's fast-paced digital landscape. At its core, AI-powered lead generation leverages advanced technologies like machine learning and predictive analytics to identify high-quality prospects. Traditional methods often rely on manual research or broad targeting strategies, which can be time-consuming and inefficient. AI, however, analyzes vast amounts of data to pinpoint leads that are most likely to convert. By examining factors such as online behavior, purchase history, and demographic information, AI tools create detailed profiles of ideal customers. This not only saves time, but also ensures that marketing efforts are focused on individuals who are genuinely interested in your products or services. One of the key benefits of using AI in lead generation is automation. AI tools can handle repetitive tasks such as data collection, lead scoring, and segmentation, tasks that would otherwise require significant human effort. For example, AI algorithms can automatically rank leads based on their likelihood to convert, allowing sales teams to prioritize high-value prospects. Additionally, chatbots powered by AI can engage with website visitors in real time, answering questions and collecting contact information. This seamless interaction helps capture leads even outside of regular business hours, ensuring no opportunity is missed. AI also improves personalization, which is critical for successful lead nurturing. By analyzing customer data, AI can craft highly targeted messages tailored to each prospect's preferences and needs. Personalized emails, advertisements, and content resonate more deeply with potential customers, increasing engagement and conversion rates. Furthermore, AI-driven insights enable businesses to anticipate customer behavior and deliver timely recommendations or offers. For instance, if a prospect frequently visits a product page, AI can trigger a follow-up email with a special discount, encouraging them to make a purchase. In conclusion, AI is transforming lead generation by making it faster, smarter, and more efficient. From identifying high-quality prospects to automating repetitive tasks and delivering personalized experiences, AI empowers businesses to optimize their marketing and sales strategies. As technology continues to advance, integrating AI into your lead generation process is no longer a luxury. It's a necessity. By harnessing the power of AI, you can stay ahead of the competition, build stronger customer relationships, and drive sustained growth for your business. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this session has provided valuable insights into the future of lead generation.